This is from Lunar Beauty. This is PR from Lunar Beauty. If you have been here a long time, you know that I let out a little scream. I got the zoomies, I danced around, I maybe shed a tear, but I'm pretty sure that these are the new blushes from Lunar Beauty. I am gonna use them right now if you probably couldn't tell. I'm in the middle of doing this look and I need to use them immediately. These came so fast, also, holy crap. You have heard me talk about and you have seen me use Lunar Beauty, specifically the lip products, quite a lot. A lot of the collections you can find on my page just because I have purchased them and like honestly been really into them. Not only the vibes, but like the tones. This one specifically, I think it's kind of around like flower. Let me freaking open it before I start talking. But also quickly, Manny, thank you so much. This is truly so special. I appreciate you reaching out and just like also being so kind. I don't want to cry right now, but just know that I have, and I could. At any moment I could, but I appreciate it so much, not only because like I was legitimately like making a list of like which blush shades I wanted to buy first, so like thank you for that, but also as a creator, like thank you so much. So this, I don't know, just thank you so much. Oh my god, my heart. But let me stop yapping and continue to yap about this. Let me open it. This is so cool. This is really cool for me. Gorgeous. It's gorgeous. God, every time I get one of these pamphlets, yeah. Uh-huh. Stop. I think these are all the shades. I think these are all 6. They are all 6. You sent me all 6. Let me just read this quickly. Moon Prism Liquid Blush. The iconic new formula is a medium to full coverage satin finish that will leave your skin looking hydrated and dewy without emphasizing your texture. This versatile, I will never know. Formula can be worn on cheeks, face, and lips. I will be doing that. Available in 6 shades, $25. Period. Cute, cute. I like that there's alliteration. I like that it's tied to like florals. I do love flora. Yeah, I don't know if that was obvious, but maybe it wasn't. So when I heard that, I was like, music to my ears. Stop! This packaging is so cute! You see how it's like iridescent kind of sparklies, and it's like kind of like an ombre concentration, and then that's cool. I like that a lot. I love the attention to detail. Now, if you are new to my page, hi, I like to savor my makeup sometimes, and whilst I'm like, I have this, I'm going to use these all, I want to start, I think, with a couple. Preciosa Pink, Rosarena, Pumpkin Poppy, Mauve Mommy. Mauve Mommy? I want to try that one, I know that. Fuego Fuchsia, Bloombeya. Okay. I'm freaking out. I actually, like, I just want to take a moment to be like, ah. Mauve Mommy, I feel like, just because of this look, because I know that there's an orange. Pumpkin Poppy, I know I'm going to be obsessed with, but I also know Preciosa Pink. Let me open this, please. And Mauve Mommy are both going to be ones, like, I know. Also Fuego, probably. Listen, I'm just gonna, I love blush. Do I not have anything here I can open this with? Help. Yep. That does look so pretty. I think with this look, very much. But I must layer. I think I must. Get this shade, dude. Yeah. It's like a purpley, it's like a light pink, lavender, purpley, I don't know what, but yeah. I keep being like, oh yeah, this one I'm probably gonna like the most. Oh yeah, this one, I had like a tier list of like, okay, if I were to try which one would I try first? And now, oh my god, I'm just like so grateful that now I can try them all. Yeah. Pumpkin Poppy. Okay, let me try. I'm also gonna put one on my lips, of course. Let's try Mauve Mommy first. I love the component. I love that this is a little bit larger than I thought that it would be like in person. And I like the ombre, typical like lunar, like this is very much lunar packaging. Ooh. Yeah, so it is a liquid, but it doesn't feel like runny. I would agree with that. I don't think they're supposed to be like scented or anything. Does it smell like something though? It's like an unscented scent? I don't know. I don't think they're not like scented though. I'm just gonna take the tiniest bit and just kind of like whatever's left on here, like the tiniest bit, and then blend out with a brush really fast because I do not know. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. Oh. That's nice. Actually, that's very cute. There is no like remnant of the circle, like of the little spot when I first put it down too. And I always look for that because even if the edges have like blended out, but you can still see that initial circle. God, that drives me insane. So I do like that. I'm telling you right now, this is very soft. This is very cute. Would wear this shade every day. I'm gonna put a little bit on the brush and then just kind of go in like this. Yeah. I like that it's not like a traditional doe foot because those are kind of like, honestly, kind of boring to me. Not that it matters, like if the product works or whatever, like that's the point, but I do like that. Does it lock closed? It doesn't lock closed. That's actually so surprising because I feel like all of Lunar Beauty lip stuff locks closed. Okay. I just think I need Tiniest, teeniest little boop, boop. Yeah, like a purpliness to it. Ooh, those two mixed together I like. Cute. A little does seem to go a long way, but I feel like that's kind of like normal with liquid blushes, or at least liquid blushes that I like. They're pretty pigmented. You can get them to be kind of more flexible, which I enjoy. I really enjoy about cream products lately. This shade in particular with a purple look, whoa. I'm like so shocked that these don't lock closed though. Like that's actually kind of shaking me to my core. I'm take a little bit of Mauve Mommy from the back of my hand, kind of put it on my nose. I feel like this is kind of like, for me, oh, I had a little bit of that pink shade still on there. Those mixed together are cute. It's doing all the things that I hope that it would do. However, because this is a first impressions, obviously I don't know how this is gonna wear. We will see. I will leave it in either the caption or the comments or something. Or if you ever hear me yap constantly all the time on streams or on my stories, I talk about the makeup that I use constantly. Yeah, I love that on the forehead too. I feel like I'm not shocked. Like I was kind of expecting it to be good. So I'm not gonna sit here and be like, liquid blush, that's so crazy. Because like it looks good and it's doing the things that I want it to do at this point. Yeah, and I feel like it's kind of obvious that these probably were the tones I was gonna go for first. I smudged in a little bit of black liner on my lips, but I'm gonna take Mauve Mommy and just see. I just kind of want to see a little bit, mostly in the center. It's like the color of my lips. Ooh, I'm gonna kind of like buff it in to have that like diffused look. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I don't hate that. I actually really like that. It feels soft. It actually feels really nice. I like that. And because I'm curious, I'm gonna take my blue balm and put it on top. Just to, yeah, just to cool it. Ooh, cool it down. Just a little, oh my God. Oh. I didn't add any bronzer or contour because I just kind of wanted to have this like light wash of blush and see what it looked like. I like the fact that they mix together so well. I already cannot wait to use the orange in like a really intense orange look. I just can't wait to use all of them. I'm getting more into cream products. Like I feel like I've been picky for years and I still am picky, but like there's better products coming out in liquid form and liquid and cream form. I really do like the fact that like Lunar Beauty has said like, hey, you can use these on your lips too, because sometimes it's like, can we use this as lipstick kind of thing? But when it's like kind of encouraged, I really appreciate that as someone who loves lip products and also kind of likes to connect the two, or at least like formula wise, like something that works well in multiple ways. I feel like sometimes with products, it's like you can use this in 100 different ways and 99 of them are not good. These together, yeah. This lip is really giving, I have to say. Manny, thank you so much again for this. I really appreciate it. That was very cool of you. But anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!